Hi everyone, I'm Dhanush. I'm currently participating in Google AI Hackathon. So my project for this Google AI Hackathon is an article recommender system. Not just a recommender, but it will also make you a nice cool PDF as a newsletter that you can daily read to and basically learn about what's the best articles that you would be recommended. Like most of the times the articles which you may be getting in your Google newsfeed and Twitter algorithms are for the most part would be recommended because of the place where you are based out of, but not really the ones which you are really interested at. So what if you use the current large language models like Gemini to build an article recommender? So my thought process for this recommender system is clearly mentioned in my GitHub repo, and even the source code and everything is given here. So currently we have a sources field, and it would be basically a list of websites that our scraper. So like I would give you a bit. So these are the sources like which we need to be getting the articles from. So this can be any website which you can think of. So the scraper is just like a code which would be hitting these websites regularly, and it would be converting this HTML content into a markdown format using a tool known as Gina Reader. You can learn more about Gina Reader on Google. It would be converting the HTML content into markdown. So we'll be storing the markdown content in our Postgres database. So the DB has the following schema: title, the link of the article, raw markdown test, and and till here it is correct. And we'll be using the Gemini API to convert this raw markdown text into a shortened summary, so which we can read on the PDF. So and the shortened summary will also be converted into an embeddings vector, and then we create a new column called as predicted. So if the value is 1, it should be recommended to us. If the value is 0, it should not be recommended to us. I will get you in a second how this is recommended. So we use a cron job for everything here. As you can see, since we need to keep updated with the articles every time, we can just schedule a cron job to scrape from all these websites, maybe say 2 hours. Currently I have set it to 2 hours, but you can set it as you want. And a cron job for getting all the so for predicting the articles, we can use any basic recommender system. So for this I have used a random forest algorithm, and I have given the random forest algorithm during training a set of 50 articles which I would read, and set of 50 articles that which I would never read. So after the training I did observe that it was very good at recommending the articles which I would click otherwise. So I will be assigning the value of predicted as 1 while inserting it to the DB, and then I would be fetching the latest articles from the DB using the cron job every 24 hours, and making it as a nice cool newsletter. You can see that it is in. So I have the newsletter here, if you can see this. It is in a very nice format which we can go through. So if I would never come across this article on my Google newsfeed, even if I read a lot about self-driving cars. But I still most of the times I do miss. So what if we build it just for, you can see it is the article newsletter is personal just for me, because everything is being recommended just for me. And so we can click on here to learn more, and you can read more about here if you are interested. So that is the project which I have built. Thank you.